Uh-oh! Man down! Caroline doesn't know what to think about this. Yeah. What do you think, Caroline? You like it? Oh, really? Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like it all came in. It sure does. It sure does. Yeah. Hi, Carol. Hi, you're standing on the log over by the sea. What do you think? You like it?
I found you up.
You want to sit on my lap? Okay, gotcha. Yeah, we're filming Mommy and Bubba playing. They're playing in the water. Yeah, you want to see? Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. Say hi. You're gonna wave? Yeah. You're on there now, and now they're on there. Yeah. Yeah. I think Michael takes the water. I just think he likes to swim. I really do. I think he loves to swim. I think your brother loves to swim a lot. Yeah, look at that. He likes being in the water. Yeah.
I take my shirt off, go in the water.
Oh, you want to take your shirt off and go in the water?
Uh-huh.
All right, sweetie.